Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Happy Thanksgiving to you all. We've had a little bit of a disaster this morning. Very little. We had ants. 30-some years ago, married to my first wife, I had a similar thing happen while I had guests come in. We had ants infest the kitchen. Today's very minor, no problem. So, today is Turkey Day. I have a few things to prep and cook. There's my turkey bird. And I'm going to come over here. There's the items, the mise en place for the turkey with my compound butter, which I did yesterday. And here's the butternut squash with butter, brown sugar. And here is the common denominator. Not the beer, but that's my drink of the day, Norwal from Sierra Nevada. But salt, pepper, and garlic is in at least 3 of these recipes for today. My mashed potatoes, spinach, milk, olive oil, Parmesan cheese, butter again, onion, and the 7-color seasoning that I put together the other day. And my gravy. I'm starting off with box stock, all-purpose flour, onion, celery, carrots, more butter, a bay leaf. We're going to also be doing some whole thyme and black peppercorns. So I hope you have a great day with family and friends, eat great food, and have fun cooking.